My name is Blair Query. Getting data in a usable format from various applications can be challenging. Data scattered across different sources, lack of integration, and static reports limit flexibility for detailed analysis, hindering finance and accounting professionals like yourself from being effective. As a result, reporting is often a manual effort, which increases the likelihood of errors and forces reliance on outdated or incomplete data, leading to flawed financial analysis and misguided decisions. With EAG Foundations, you can instantly access key financial reports, eliminating the need to rely on manual processes and saving time spent on pulling data from multiple sources. Contact us to learn more.